First, let me say that I bought this model not for travel, but to replace my usual countertop water pick, which after many good years of use, no amount of plumbing tape would stop it from leaking. Since it had good reviews and was less pricey, I thought I would give the ABOX traveling kit a try. First, here are things you might like to know. The package doesn't include a wall charger. I bought one for about $8 CAD at some other store. This might not be essential since you can still charge it on your computer and the power is long-lasting. Also, the timer mentioned isn't one that you can manually set. It's just an inbuilt mechanism that stops the motor after 2 minutes of continuous use. However, it is quite useless with normal speed as it will take less than 2 minutes to empty a full reservoir. The rotating tip might sound like something that's practical, but I've noticed that if I don't keep it in the same direction as the pump, I catch air quickly as I'm flossing. Finally, the downside of this traveling model compared to the countertop is that the buttons are situated just where you need to hold the appliance, making it kind of awkward to handle and easy to turn it on and off accidentally. The best part for me of this smaller model is there are no cords for anyone to chew on, and for that, it might look clean and neat for a longer time. It fits in a small cabinet so I can keep my counter clear and discreet. The pressure is good, equal to about an 8 on a regular water flosser, which is just right to floss without harming your gums. I'm quite happy so far with my purchase, and I find that it's generally less trouble to handle than the countertop model. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.